Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today I am going to teach you how to make liquid detergent. Some people call it liquid soap, but that is not correct. Soap is a cleaning agent that is made from caustic alkalis and fats, or caustic alkalis and a mixture of fat and oils. The caustic alkalis often used are caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide, and caustic potash, that is potassium hydroxide. A detergent, on the other hand, is a cleaning agent that is made from synthetic raw materials, which are obtained mainly from petroleum. The principal raw materials for the manufacture of detergent, which is obtained from petroleum, is called alkyl benzene sulfonic acid, or simply sulfonic acid. In the manufacture of detergents, the main reaction that takes place is neutralization reaction between sulfonic acid and caustic soda. So, in the preparation of our liquid detergents today, the primary reaction that will take place is a reaction of sulfonic acid with caustic soda. Look at a full list of the ingredients we are going to use for the preparation of our liquid detergent. Number 1 is nitrosol. Nitrosol is a thickening agent for liquid detergent. It looks like powder milk. Number 2, caustic soda. This is the base that will react with the acid to form the active ingredient in our detergent. It looks like sugar. Number 3 is soda ash. This is a base also, but it is added to raise the pH of the product for effective cleaning. It looks like salt. Number 4 is texapone. Texapone is a foaming agent. It looks like pulp. Number 5, is sulfonic acid. That is the acid that will react with the caustic soda. Number 6 is called STPP, and that is sodium tripolyphosphate. It is after washing. Number 7 is fragrance. This is added to make your product smell nice. Number 8 is colorant. This is added to make your product have a shade, as a nice look. Number 9 is formalin. This is added as a preservative to prevent microorganisms from attacking your products. Now, in place of texapone, you can use sodium lauryl sulfate, which is often called SLS, as your foaming agent. All right. Now let us look at the recipe for the production of 10 liters of liquid detergents. So here we have nitrosol 50 grams, caustic soda 40 grams, soda ash 100 grams, Texapone 100 grams, sulfonic acid 400 ml, sodium tripolyphosphate 40 grams, fragrance oil 20 ml. Colorant 4 grams and formalin 10 ml. Now let us see the procedure for making the liquid detergent. Let us see the procedure for making the liquid detergent. The first thing you do is measure about 2 liters of water. Measure about 2 liters of water into a bucket. That's the first thing to do. Number 2, add the nitrosol bit by bit and stir. Add the nitrosol bit by bit to the water and stir. So you have to stir it strongly to ensure that the nitrosol dissolves. Stir it very strongly to ensure that the nitrosol dissolves. Then the third thing to do is add more water to the nitrosol solution. Add more water to the nitrosol solution and stir. And when you are adding water, you have to bear in mind that we are preparing about 10 liters of detergent solution. And number 4 thing to do is add some water to the caustic soda and stir to dissolve. Add some water to the caustic soda and stir to dissolve. Then pour the caustic soda solution into the nitrosol and stir. Pour the caustic soda solution into the nitrosol and stir. Now notice that the nitrosol begins to become thicker. Becomes thicker as you added the caustic soda solution. The nitrosol becomes thicker. Alright, the next thing to do is add some water to the soda ash. Add some water to the soda ash. Stir it to dissolve. Stir to dissolve. And add the soda ash solution to the mixture and stir. Add the soda ash solution to the mixture and stir. The next thing to do is add the Texapone. Add the Texapone and stir for some time. Add the Texapone and stir for some time. Then add some water to the STPP. Add some water to the STPP, add the sodium tripolyphosphate, and stir to dissolve. And then add the solution to the mixture. Add some water to the STPP, stir to dissolve, and then add the solution to the mixture and stir. Okay, now add the sulfonic acid. Add the sulfonic acid, that is 400 ml of sulfonic acid, and stir. Now the sulfonic acid will react with the caustic soda to form the active ingredient, which is called sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate. Sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate. Now add some water to the colorant. Add some water to the colorant, stir and dissolve it. Then add the colorant solution to the detergent. Okay. Now at this point you may have to add more water. So add more water To make up about 10 liters of detergent solution, add more water to make up about 10 liters of detergent solution. And then add fragrance oil. Add the fragrance oil and stir. Add the fragrance oil and stir. And finally, add the formalin and stir. Add the formalin and stir. And your detergent is ready. You said never